Hey you guys, my name is Brittany and today I am here with the No Burping Challenge created by Jaleel Odom. Y'all, I tried this before, but I tried it with the 2 liter. If y'all haven't checked that video out, go down below in my videos and find it, y'all. And y'all watch it. See if I completed a 2 liter. So I am here to try a 1 liter, y'all. This is 1.25 liter, a spray. So the rules to the game is you have to drink the whole bottle without burping, y'all. Before we get in this video, y'all thumbs it up, subscribe, push that button, you guys, and hit the bell on the side. Get notified when I upload new videos and share this video with everyone, y'all. And I'm gonna get into this thing, y'all. Get it off the table. It's shaking. Voila, voila, voila. Okay, y'all. Here it goes. So let's get it. This one is strong. Fresh. I'm gonna try not to talk. I find that helps me when I don't talk a lot. So it keeps the burps down. Feel it in my throat, y'all. I'm trying to take this paper off. Mm. Mm. Go down, go down. Yeah. Ah. like less to me, but like more. Oh, I had it. I had it held sideways. Okay, I'm halfway down. Mm. Oh, it's going to my stomach. Ah. Okay. Uh, uh. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Oh, I couldn't go no longer. Oh, yeah, I did halfway. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I can't stop burping. That's like last time, though. Well, y'all, this all I did. Oh, I was trying to hold it down, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And y'all probably going to see this Sprite in my next video because I'm about to fry me some chicken to go along with my video I'm about to do next. Y'all will see this shirt again. So I hope y'all not here for the shirts. I hope y'all here for the food. Because I'm going to have this shirt on tomorrow's video, but I'm about to record it today, you guys. So if y'all enjoyed this video, thumbs it up, subscribe, push that button, you guys, and hit the bell on the side to get notified when I upload new videos, and share this video with everyone, y'all. And I'll see y'all in the next video. And if there's a challenge that y'all would like for me to do, drop it down in the comments. And I would like to tag 3 people to do this that I would love to see do this. I would love to see, I don't know if she done it or not, any of these people done it yet, but Miss Sugar, girl, I want to see you do this challenge. That'll be so funny to me. So if you have time, girl, put this challenge on your list. Courtney Eats, I would love to see you do this challenge, girl. I know that'll be funny. You and your hubby. And I know Mama Jones might not see this, Mama and Papa Jones, but y'all, if y'all can go over there and tell Mama Jones and Papa Jones, Funny Mike Mom, that I tagged her to do this challenge, I would love to see her do this challenge. That'll be funny for her and the hubby to do the challenge, Papa Jones, y'all. So go on over there. If y'all ain't subscribed already, go to those people pages and let them know I tagged them, y'all. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Love you guys.